You've got me this time, and you've also got me on the camera as well. It's dark in here, isn't it? I just realised I've only got my YouTube lights on, which is it's quite effective, isn't it? Right, so we're back. Sorry, we had a bit of a mistake earlier. The servers went down. It's all fixed. They've plugged in some extra RAM, and they've increased the memory. So let's do a quick one on this because I know it's eating into your night. So let's go a quick demo of how the Instagram is going to work. So up onto the script. I'm already logged in, so don't panic, everybody. So if anybody's used the software, most people are used to the software, use their partners or whatever, and also obviously our clients and customers also use the software separately as well. You may be thinking about using the software, so I'm not going to give you a full overview of the software at the moment. We're going to concentrate on the actual connection of the Instagram and how it works. Just to show you, that is my Instagram page which we're posting to. So how do we do it? Well, you go to the connections section of the page, and here we are, all our connections that we'll be using on the software. So you've got Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google My Business. So how this works is what's made it a lot easier is before, when I spoke to everybody in January to say Instagram's coming, we were developing some software that actually would post externally from the main social command software. And that was used a push system. Anyway, it's really complicated, and we nearly had it. It was nearly there. And then Facebook came along last week and said, no, we've all developed this API, which allows you to use the connection between Facebook and Instagram, because it's there already. Everybody connects their Facebook page to Instagram. So we've gone through that route. So there's a couple of things that you need to know on this. To look after your Instagram account, or look after a client or customer's Instagram account, it has to be a business account. Can't be a personal account. Has to be a business. Most people are business on Instagram. If they're influencers, that type of thing, or if they've got a business, then most of them have that switched on. And that then just allows you to connect it to a Facebook page. So like Social Command, we've got a Social Command Facebook page, then we've got the Social Command Instagram page, and we connect them together. Now, this only does one-way traffic. It sends Instagram to Facebook. So when you post on Instagram, it goes to Facebook. It doesn't do the other way around. But now with this system, it allows you to do that. So how we would connect the normal Facebook is I won't demonstrate now, but you connect page there. And if you're an admin on that page, it'll give you a full list of all the pages that you can connect to the software. This is the same for the groups, and then Instagram business. So if I click on this will show you the Instagram pages once I've logged on. Sorry, should have done that earlier. Here we go. So you connect your Facebook page, obviously. Let's hope this works now. Give it a few seconds, everybody. Hold your breath. Let's see what happens. It's just giving me a white screen. I just did test this. Honest to God, I just tested it. Let's give it a second. Don't anybody panic. Let's just add up on a different holding page on that, so we don't just look at white. It is, there we go. Let's just hold that a second. Oh, come on. Really? Oh, no, here it is. The excitement. So these are all the Instagram pages that I've got connected via Facebook, because I am admin on the Facebook pages, and they've connected their Instagram pages to it as well. And there is a Social Command one. What you would do is click that, and it just connects. There's no passwords, there's no usernames, nothing like that, because we're going via the admin of Facebook. So it is genius. There's none faffing about with your passwords and your usernames, which I know everybody has a right problem with LinkedIn and Twitter trying to connect those when you're doing it for a client, because you have to make sure the client's at the end of the phone, and then they send a code through, and then they have to send it to you, and then you have to put it in. None of that. You just make sure you're admin on the Facebook page, and they make sure they have connected their Instagram page to the Facebook page. It's that simple. But how do we post? Right, this is going to be quite slow, I have a feeling, but we're going to get there. Now, you only can do images. Instagram is just about images. That's what the whole thing is about. So you have to go to custom post, click on custom post. You then open the image. Now, what you don't actually see is when you click on the image, it then puts up the Social Command or at the Instagram connection here at the bottom. Now, if I just unclick everything else so you can see it. We don't want to put these pictures out to everybody else. So I'll click the Instagram social command page, which is great. Done that. There's one connection there. And this is done exactly the same way. So let's just do another test post. That would be brilliant. Then you click, this is the same way connection, how you connect a picture to any of the other platforms. You click on there and let's grab that nice slide. You can do up to 4 images at the same time as well. And then that connects to there. Bang, wonderful. One successfully uploaded. And then you just post it. But hold on there, you can also do all your normal stuff. You can actually schedule it as well. You can repeat it. All the stuff that you do on Facebook and LinkedIn and on Twitter and Google My Business, you can do it on here. You can post it now or you can schedule it. And when you schedule it, then you can go to the calendar and move it all around. So all that's the same. Everything is the same. The only thing you're different between using Instagram and Facebook and all the others is Instagram is image only. Remember that, obviously with a bit of text and the hashtags. So you click on that. That posts. This may take some time because of just the way the servers are running. So, oh no, it's done it. Oh, that's quick. So let's go back over to Instagram. Let's refresh that page. And there it is. There's the post, another test post. And the text is there. It's done. That's how it works. It's that simple. It was worth the wait, wasn't it? You tell me, please. You tell me it's worth the wait. So you can do 4 images at the same time. You add all your hashtags in there. You add any text. Obviously, URL links don't work because it's Instagram. Think about how Instagram normally works. The URL is in the profile, so you can't put any hyperlinks or anything like that into the post text. You can obviously put them in there, but they don't actually turn into a hyperlink. Some people do it because they can cut and paste it. So you can do everything you can do on Instagram, and you can do it through the software, schedule it, multiple pictures, bang. All done. It's that simple. This, fingers crossed, will be rolling out on the 15th of March. It's only about a week and a half away, so let's hope that works and stays on track because it's. I'm just excited though because I've been waiting for it for a year. So I do apologise that I'm getting overexcited just about a piece of software. Anyway, that's how it works. We'll let you know when it's all coming online. We'll let you know the ins and outs of everything, and hopefully we should have all this rolling by the 15th of March. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you for sticking around earlier. Any questions, normal way, just drop us an email or use our new support ticket system on the website, or you can WhatsApp me as well. I don't mind. I talk to anybody. Anyway, have a great evening. See you soon. Bye-bye.